What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. So, passive income, getting started with passive income. Everyone likes to talk about, making money passively, getting passive income these days. And of course, it's not as easy as it sounds. But that's why in today's video, I would like to talk about getting passive income, what you need to do, how you can do it, what kind of passive income ideas there are, what it takes, all that kind of stuff. We're going to cover that in today's video. But as always, before we get into that kind of stuff, let's do the main stuff first, which is passively like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, show me that you guys enjoyed it. We've not been getting that many likes recently, but it would be nice to increase it a little bit just for this video. Always make sure you guys keep commenting as you guys do, which is great, so keep that up. Add to that, if you're new around here, hit that red button below, subscribe to the channel. This is the Money Management. We talk about passive income, business ideas, e-commerce. We talk about all sorts of stuff. We cover that. So if you're new around here, like I said, hit the red button below. Lastly, but most importantly, please make sure we're sharing these videos with our friends, talking to more people, get them out to more people, helping more people get these videos in front of their eyes, and of course, helping the channel grow overall. But now let's talk about passive income and getting started with passive income. So to begin with, everyone likes to talk about passive income, like I said earlier. But what exactly is passive income? Well, it is obviously you getting paid passively. And what does that mean? Getting paid without doing anything. But here's the catch. When it comes to passive income, it does require you to do something. Now, when I say it requires you to do something, don't think, oh no, so it's not actually passive income. I want my money to make more money, but I have to work and put into time. That's not the case. All it means is what you're gonna have to do is invest your time, use your time to start learning about it, and obviously eventually use your time to create that passive income source. So when I say it takes time to build a passive income source, well, what do I mean when I say that? There are many different streams of income, as you guys know from watching my channel. There are many different types of passive income. I'll leave a video right up here so you guys go check that one out. But like I said, it takes time. So for those of you who want a few ideas just off the top of my head for passive income, you have rental properties, you have renting cars, you have starting a business, you have dividend stocks, you have a few different things. You even have vending machines, stuff like that. These are all passive ideas. Now, with all of these things I mentioned, what do they require? Well, they require upfront some time, and also some of them require some upfront investment. Look at something like a vending machine. You go out and you buy a bunch of vending machines. Once you get these vending machines, you obviously need to buy what you're going to stock them up with. Whether that's candy bars, sweets, chocolates, drinks, flip-flops, you're going to have to stock these vending machines up. Again, more investment. Now you're going to need to know where you want to locate them. In barbershops, in restaurants, obviously not. What about in fitness centers? Probably. Workplaces, likely. Those kind of places, shopping malls, much more likely. But either way, it depends on what you're selling. But the main point here is, you needed a bit of time to research where you're going to put it. You need a bit of money investment up front to buy a vending machine for a couple thousand, stock it up for a few hundred. Yes, that costs money. But now here's the good thing. The passively, the money making you money. You are not going to be doing anything. You're going to be maybe at home, on holiday. People are going to be buying stuff from those vending machines. Paying for the candy bars, paying for the flip-flops, whatever you have in your vending machine. People are going to be buying these things. And you're getting paid because you own these vending machines. You're making money because people are paying for something. And you're not actively there, you're not actively working, but you are getting paid. That is exactly what passive income is. But now you have an idea of exactly how passive income works. What can you do to start getting passive income? Well, to begin with, I gave you guys a few different types of ideas for passive income. I gave you guys a video recommendation. But what do you need to do for this? Well, I could tell you 50, 60, 70 different ideas for passive income. You don't have to learn all of them. What I'll tell you guys to do when you want to get started with passive income is learn one of them. Learn about one of them. Spend your time learning about one of them. And if that requires an upfront investment, then save your money, build up your money and start investing in it. If it doesn't require any investment, then you can get started with it. But either way, no matter what you pick, whether that's rental properties, whether that's vending machines, whether that's dividend stocks, learn as much as you can about it before you get started with it. Don't be afraid to get started with it, but learn as much as you can up front. Now, when you're going to invest in one of these ideas for passive income, it might be scary putting your money into it. Yes, you might not get your money back. Yes, you might lose money. But overall, it's an investment. The idea of passive income is to get your money working for you. And without actually applying yourself and actually learning and spending your money wisely, you're never going to get your money working for you. So don't be scared. Put in the money, put in the time, and do that kind of thing. If you're someone like me who has a business, yes, it's going to cost you a lot of money to start your own company. For me, it's smartwatches. Yes, it's going to cost a lot for inventory, for testing products out. Because mine's a functional product. It costs a lot of money to test things out, get prototypes, find out more information. It costs a lot just in general, whatever business you start. But you're investing in that business. Your aim there is to get paid passively, no matter what you're doing. I could be recording a YouTube video. People could be purchasing smartwatches off my website. I could be out on the beach. People have the option of purchasing. That's exactly what an online business is. It's pretty much like having a store in every single corner of the world. because people can access it whenever, wherever. It's always open, 24 hours, no matter what time of day it is, no matter where you're located, they have access to it. Now, of course, with something like rental income, it's different. You're going to have to put money up front to buy a property, to rent out a property, to get a mortgage. And you're going to have to rent that out to people, find tenants, find people who want to live there. If you're getting an apartment complex, you're going to have to find out occupancy rates. You're going to have to understand how that affects your revenue. How likely is that it's 100% occupied. Times of the year, where it's located, you're going to have to find out all that kind of thing. But eventually, the time will come where people are renting out your apartments, people are getting those rooms, and they're paying for them. So you're earning money. For those of you who are looking at the vending machine business, I explained at the beginning of the video. You got a vending machine with cold drinks, flip-flops, ice creams or something random. Put it on the beach. If it's one of those beaches where it's busy enough, people will be paying for those kind of things. For those of you who want to do something like an ATM business, again, more passive income. Put it outside a barbershop, places where you can only pay cash. Clubs, bars, even restaurants sometimes. You can put ATMs in these kind of places. And of course, people are going to need to take money out. They have a fee that they're charged, $3, $4, whatever it may be, and you're getting money off that. These are all different passive income ideas. And all you need to do to get started is just choose one, learn about it a lot, focus on it, and then start making money from it. It is literally that simple. Now, obviously it doesn't mean everyone's going to win, everyone's going to make a lot of money, but it is that easy to get started. Pick one idea, focus on it, knuckle down, learn, do what you can so you understand the business model, understand what you're going to, understand what you're putting your money, your time, and your effort into, and eventually start reaping the rewards. What is better than your money making money for you? Yes, you need to invest your time. Yes, you may need to invest your money sometimes when it comes to stocks, dividend stocks. Yes, you might need to start doing your own thing and take a few risks. But the moment your money is working for you, the moment you can start getting paid without you having to do anything, make money no matter what you're doing. You can be eating, you can be watching YouTube videos, you can be showering, you can be cooking. I've made sales, made money during all these things I just mentioned, but I've not done it on a consistent basis, which is why I'm not financially free right now. For those of you who do manage to do that on a consistent basis, you will be financially free soon enough. Passive income is out there. Passive income is available to many of us. A lot of us do have the time that we need to invest in ourselves, invest in our business, invest in whatever we want to do so we can create that passive income. A lot of us do have the means, we do have the financial means to actually invest in something and start getting revenue from it. It is not always about working for money, putting in time for money. There are ways to make money without actually working and being physically available, physically active to get money. Of course, this is passive income. Your money making more money for you. Wouldn't we all love that? Just being somewhere, doing nothing and getting paid. That is it. That will come from you selling something. That will come from you having dividend stocks. That will come from you having ATMs, vending machines, products, services, ways of making money. Of course, it is not easy, but it's definitely possible and it's definitely 100% worth it. And the good thing is as well, once you've learned that one and you started getting that one nailed down, you can start using from that one to start branching off in other things. Income streams, that's how you get your income streams. Having 2, 3, 4 different ways of getting passive income. That's how you start growing your wealth. When you start investing in dividend stocks, using that money, taking it out, putting it into ATMs, taking that money out from the ATMs, start using it for real estate, for rental properties, start taking money out of rental properties, using them for apartment complexes. That is how you create your income streams, and before you know it, you won't even need to work for money at all anymore. But that's the dream, that's the goal, that's what we're trying to get to. It will take time, but we can definitely get there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I did try and speak a little bit slow for you guys, I know you guys do request that. As always, please make sure you guys check out those links in the description. We've got so much going on there. You guys know the drill already. Also, please make sure you guys continue to share these videos. Like I said, I'm trying to help people become better each and every day, learn more about money, learn more about their finances, budgeting, creating income sources, making money, saving money, all that stuff. Lastly, make sure you guys are back here tomorrow for another video as always. But that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I go on to making, you want to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.